Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, this is Disha and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today we're making restaurant style Makai Mirch Masala. So let's get started. So for making Makai Mirch Masala, the first ingredient is baby corn. I've chopped my baby corn and then boiled it. Next ingredient is tomato. I've removed the seeds of my tomato and then cut it into pieces. Next we'll need is capsicum, corn, onion, green chilies, malai, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, haldi, salt, red chili powder, dhania powder, kasuri methi and kitchen king masala. First we'll add oil to the vessel. And we'll let it heat. To check whether the oil is heated or not, we'll add cumin seed, which is jeera. Now we'll add some ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add onion. And let it cook till the time it becomes pink. Now we'll add turmeric powder. Then we'll add salt. After that, some red chili powder. Now we'll add some garam masala. Kitchen king masala. Now we'll add dhania powder. Now we'll add capsicum and green chilies. Now we'll add some malai and cook our capsicum in this. Now we'll keep a lid over it and let it cook for 5 minutes. My capsicum has cooked very well. Now we'll add some tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, I'll add baby corn. And after that, some corn. Crush some kasuri methi and add it. All the veggies have given such a beautiful color to our sabji. Now we'll add some water and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check whether our sabji is ready or not. Wow, this looks fantastic. It has cooked so perfectly and it is ready to serve. My Makai Mirch Masala is all ready to eat. You can serve this with roti, paratha or rice. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.